Let us look at proposition number 17 of book 5 of Euclid's Elements. The proposition says if magnitudes are proportional, then they are also proportional separately. Let's say we have two magnitudes AB and CD, and we have two other magnitudes EB and FD, which we have represented on AB and CD itself. Now, this is drawn in such a way that AB is to EB is equal to CD is to FD. Now we draw GH and HK, which are equimultiples of AE and EB. Again, we draw LM and MN, which are equimultiples of CF and FD. And we draw KO and NP as some other arbitrary equimultiples of EB and FD. GH and HK are equimultiples of AE and EB. So, which means we can say that GH and HK are equimultiples of AE and AB. This is based on proposition 5.1. GH and LM are equimultiples of AE and CF. So we can say GK and LM are equimultiples of AB and CF. Now LM and MN are equimultiples of CF and FD. Why? Because LM and MN are equimultiples of CF and CD. This is again based on 5.1 proposition. Now, LM and GK are equimultiples of CF and AB. We have already seen this. So, based on this, we can say that GK and AB are equimultiples of LN and CD. Now, since HK and MN are equimultiples of EB and FD, and KO and NP are equimultiples of EB and FD. So, which means what? That if GK is greater than HO, then LN will also be greater than MP. What we do is, from this inequality, GK, if it is greater than HO, then LN is also greater than MP. From this, we subtract HK and MN. So, if we subtract HK from GK, we get GH. From HO, if we subtract HK, we get KO. Similarly, from LN, if we subtract MN, we get LM. And from MP, if we subtract MN, we get NP. So, which means we can say GH, if it is greater than KO, then LM is also greater than NP. Similarly, we can show that if it is less, it will be less. If it is equal, it will be equal. And this is exactly what definition 5.5 says. So, based on proposition 5.5, we can say that AE is to EB as CF is to FB, because GH is a multiple of AE, LM is a multiple of CF, KO is a multiple of EB, and NP is a multiple of FB. So we can say that AE is to EB is equal to CF is to FD. So we have shown that if magnitudes are proportional, then they are also proportional separately. Now, instead of every time talking of equimultiples, we could also use the notation for proportionality. We are given that AB is to EB equal to CD is to FD. So GH is to AE as HK is to EB. Similarly, LM is to CF as MN is to FD, and KO is to EB as NP is to FD. So now based on these four proportionalities, we can say GH is to AE as GK is to AB. Now GK is to AB is equal to LM is to CF. So we can say LM is to CF is equal to Ln is to CD. Ln is to CD. So GK is to Ln equal to AB is to CD. HO is to EB as MP is to FD. So based on this, we can conclude that if GK is greater than, equal to, or less than HO, then Ln is also accordingly greater than, equal to, or less than MP. And if we subtract HK from both GK and HO and MN from Ln and NP, we get GH greater than, equal to, less than KO, then LM is also greater than, equal to, less than NP. And this tells us that AE is to EB equal to CF is to F. It's better if you read this carefully, try to understand each of these proportionalities. So I have provided a link to a PDF book which describes all these propositions in detail. Please feel free to download it, refer to it, and if you feel somebody else can benefit from it, please do share it. That's it for now. Bye.